Roland. It's about 3:50 p.m. on December 23rd. I am about to do a running vehicle ITC session on my car's DVR recorder. So we're gonna start this up. Let's see. I'd like to do, we're gonna use both channels. This is a PSB-11 ANC. So we're gonna be running both channels on this today. One's gonna be going forward at 200 FM. The other one is going to be going in reverse at 50 in AM. So we have, let's see, we have reverse 50 AM, forward FM at 200 sweep rate. And I'm going to activate the noise gates. Let's see here. Okay. Both noise gates are activated at a level that'll work with their current volume. Good afternoon. Can anybody hear me, please? My name is Roland, and with this device, I may be able to hear your voice if you speak to me. If you can hear me, can you try speaking through this device? Can you say hello? Who can hear me? Speak into this device, please. It's raining outside right now. Can you see the rain? Currently enjoying one of our few days of rain in Southern California. Do you enjoy the rain? I am a real fan of the rain. How about you? What day is it, please? Can you see the light in front of my vehicle? What color is it? Can you say my name? Hello, can you say Roland? I do enjoy a rainy day, but I'm glad it doesn't rain all the time. How would you describe the rain? The trees and plants and grasses definitely need rain. We've been in drought for months around here. Do you enjoy drinking water? I think I'm going to adjust this radio. Do you have a problem with that? Okay. Let's leave only one channel forward, and I'm going to reduce the noise gate down. Reverse FM. Does that make it easier?